Multi write-off advance in Odoo 12. Create an invoice. Select a customer. Now add the product. Now save it. Validate. Now click on register payment. Here full payment without deduction and with deduction, click on with deduction. Now add the either through bank and percentage of the amount and total amount and here the total amount is 658. Payment amount is this much. Either if we keep open or if we mark invoice as fully paid. And the next option is post difference in single account or multiple account. If we choose multiple account and click on validate. Click on other information, we can see now click on accounting, click on journal entries. Now click on the invoice. Here we can see the details, the total amount, the debit, the bank and the inventories we chose. This is how multiple write-off advance works in Odoo 12.
Get more details and support.